All right, lesson 4.4, solving systems by elimination 2. So these are a little bit step harder than the previous lesson, but same idea. So we'll do two quick examples to show you how to do this. So we've got a system of equations, two equations. Notice nothing really lines up like last time as far as these canceling out. So we need to multiply to make them line up. So the easiest thing I can see is that if I multiplied this top equation by -2, I could make these cancel each other out. Okay, so you're just looking for the easiest way to make stuff cancel. So I'll multiply a top equation by -2. Make sure you multiply every single term like this. Keep the second equation the same. And then just add them together. 11x, this is gone, equals -12 plus 23, I believe, is 11. So if you divide each side by 11, x is 1. Okay, to figure out y, again, we'll plug it back into one of these two. So I'll just choose that first or the second equation, I guess I chose. Plug in x is 1 and solve that out. Looks like what? 23 minus 7, 16. So we're getting down to y equals 4. Okay, to check that, you could plug it back in. Sorry, y equals 4. You could plug it back into both equations, make sure it works. If I plug in x is 1 here, get -2 plus 4. -2 plus 4 is 6. And then I can check it here. Plug in 1 there, get 7. Plus 16 is 23. Okay, I'll just show you one other thing here quick. We won't do this whole one out, but you might run into something like this, especially on a Delta math tomorrow. So it's a little tougher to see. I can't multiply anything to make these match, and I can't multiply either of these to make them match. So I'm actually going to have to multiply both equations by something to make them match. And there's a lot of different ways you could do it, but I would say to make 6 and 7 be the same, the lowest thing they could be would be 42. So I'm going to just multiply this whole equation by 7 and multiply this whole equation by 6, and then we can make these two match up. I'm not going to solve this one all the way out just to save you some time, but I do want to show you the setup here. 6 times 14, what's that? 84, I believe. And then to multiply it by 7 through here, 42x minus 49y equals 49. Okay, this would cancel, and this would be -19y equals, well, I think it's 133. Okay, I don't know if that even comes out even. Maybe I wrote this problem down wrong. Yeah, it's -7 actually. Okay, so and then you'd continue that on to get your x and everything. Okay, it's the same as before, but sometimes you may need to multiply both equations to get something to match up and cancel out there. Okay.